Unraveling the Mystery of Joint Pain, a guide for English learners. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase that can be confusing for English language learners: joint pain. If you've ever wondered what this term means and how to use it properly in a conversation, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and clarify this phrase so you can use it confidently in your daily English conversations. Joint pain refers to discomfort, aches, and soreness in any of the body's joints. Joints are the points where two bones meet, such as your elbows, knees, or hips. This term is quite literal. It combines joint, meaning the part of the body, and pain, a general term for any discomfort or unpleasant sensation. Understanding the context where joint pain can be used is crucial. It's a phrase often related to medical conditions, sports injuries, or sometimes even the weather. For example, someone might say, "I'm experiencing joint pain in my wrists after playing tennis," or "My grandmother complains of joint pain when it gets cold." When talking about joint pain, English speakers often use specific adjectives to describe the intensity or duration of the pain. Here are some examples. Sharp pain, a sudden, intense pain that can be quite severe. Dull ache, a continuous, low-level pain that is less intense but can be persistent. Chronic pain, pain that lasts for a long period of time, possibly even permanently. Intermittent pain, pain that comes and goes rather than being constant. By using these adjectives, you can more accurately convey your experiences or understand others when they describe their joint pain. Discussing joint pain often involves talking about its causes and treatments. For language learners, it's important to be familiar with some common terms related to this topic. Arthritis, a common cause of joint pain. It's an inflammation of the joints that can lead to pain and stiffness. Injury. Another cause of joint pain could be an injury, like a sprain or fracture. RICE. This stands for rest, ice, compression, and elevation, a treatment method for minor joint injuries. In conversations, you might hear sentences like, "He has arthritis, which causes severe joint pain," or "The doctor recommended RICE to treat her joint pain after the fall." If you need to discuss joint pain with a doctor or in a medical setting, it's useful to know phrases that can help describe your situation. Here are a few. "I have been suffering from joint pain for a week. The joint pain worsens when I move my arm. Are there any exercises that can alleviate my joint pain?" Being able to describe your symptoms accurately can help in getting the appropriate advice or treatment. I hope this video has shed light on the meaning and use of the phrase, joint pain, for you. Remember, understanding such terms is not only about the words themselves but also the context in which they're used. Keep practicing, and soon, discussing health-related issues in English will be a breeze for you. Thank you for watching, and take care of those joints.